Hi guys, we're here again at Bleimham Palace. It is absolutely chucking it down. I've had a nightmare of a journey up here. Traffic has been murder, every red light. But we're here. I just had a little sort out on a boat. But it's not looking good, it's raining. Well, you know, it's fishing weather, so we'll see how we go. But as you can see, it's not the best of days. We're going to get wet. We'll see if we can tuck ourselves up under some bushes somewhere, put the umbrella up, and then we'll see how it goes from there. So guys, I'm going to row out, settle down, and I'll see you in a minute. Right, we're here, we're settled. It's been raining for a couple of hours, but it's stopped now. I've caught quite a few perch, nothing really big, but I'm quite confident that this afternoon, maybe early evening, 5-6 o'clock, we might get a few nice fish. So I'll let you know. Me again. Today I have caught perch. Lots and lots of perch again. They have all been this big. I've had 2 tench on and both of them spat the hook. It's now 6:30. I've got about an hour and a half to catch a fish. So wish me luck. I'll see you in a minute. And here we go, another perch. Look, all day I've been catching these. I'm not disappointed. It's been good. It's been a nice day. The rain stopped about 10 o'clock. But I want some big perch or some tench. See you in a minute. Right. I just went to change my bait and I found a small knot about 1 inch above my hook. I could have left it, but something tells me I need to change it. And I've wanted to put a bigger hook on for the last half hour. So this might be an omen. I'm going to put a slightly bigger hook on. I've stripped off about 1.5 meters of line because it felt like it was a little bit damaged. And I'm just going to tie up a new hook. The change of hook was a good move, I think. I've hooked a fish and I'm sure it's a tench. So, oh, I'm glad I changed that big hook. Got to go with your feelings. Gut feelings. It's only a small one. Got one at the end. Oh, it's not a big one, but we got it. Slow-mo disgorgers, brilliant. All day I've waited for this, all day. Lovely Bleimham Palace tench. Would you Adam and Eve it? Changed me hook, done the right thing. There you go, stunning. Probably £3, £3.5, but a lovely fish. Chuffed. Let's see if I can catch another one. Last knock-ins, I've hooked another fish. Don't know what it is. It feels like a perch though. It doesn't feel like a tench. The way it's shaking its head. I hope it's a perch. No, it's tench. But we're still happy. Oh no, it's a bream. Oh, slab. Well, I wasn't expecting to get a bream of this sort of size today, but they're all welcome. Now that has got to be all of, I should think, £5, £6. Lovely big bream from Bleimham Palace. Funny, all the fish, you know, last hour or so, all day struggled, loads of little bream, but this, it's worth coming down for, especially if you can get a bag of them. I'm quite chuffed with it actually, it was a good fish. We've still got another 20 minutes, see what we can do. 20 minutes. Nice big one I think. Got another one. Probably another bream I think, feels like it, nod nod nod. Different. Got another fish, but it might be a tench. Tench. Here we go. Look at the state of that. Look at his tail. Look, ruined. Must have got the ugliest fish in the lake. Last fish of the day. Gonna call it a day now. And a splash for good luck.